I was looking through a book of photographic memories. I've been trying to reconcile just what these memories mean to me. But I still ain't right from that last fight, the one from whence you ran into the arms of another man. I went visiting a town, I'd owned a house there years before. I went walking down the street I hadn't walked since years before. I went strolling down a path, the one on which I'd asked your hand. But now you're with another man. Outside town, I still see the stars above us as we're lying on the ground. I can hear your heart and feel your breath, the coarseness of the sand. But now you're with another man. I went traveling to a land I'd explored years before we met. I relived the sight, the sounds, the smells, just stepping off that jet. I'm remembering